Hello friends, welcome to the channel XhoTech. I hope you guys are doing great and happy new year to all of you. So today I will be showing you one technique to remove your Google account, right? So first of all, go to your Google Ads account, click here, sign in, and you will find that all the account here. So if you want to delete any account, okay, so click on that account. Now you can see there is a setting, go there, and then preferences. Here you can see this account status, it's active, right? So go here and do cancel my account. Yes, cancel account, but it's not done yet. Now go again to the setting, and now access and security. Here you can see this remove access, right? So click here. Yes, and now it's finally done, so you can check it. Look, that account is now gone. So I hope this video helps you a lot. So thank you for watching guys, and happy new year again to all of you. See you on the next video. Bye.